Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix WhatsApp keep crashing. So let's get started. Well, here, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open up Play Store. And then we're going to go to the search bar and type in WhatsApp. Now hit search. And here, if it says update, then just tap on it to get the latest version of WhatsApp. But if it says open, then there is no problem with your app. The second thing that we're going to do, we're going to go out from here and open up our settings. Then we're going to scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. Then hit manage apps. And after that, we're going to look for WhatsApp. So here, tap on clear data, then clear cache, and confirm. So this is going to delete if there's any bug in the app or fix any issues. And that should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.